Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I am back, I believe, with another entry. This comes from Denise Alcock, a sweet, sweet friend, and I did not realize that she had already decided to enter. I had my daughter to open it to make sure there was a handmade item and a memory dex in here just to make sure, and she said there was. So I'm guessing this is her entry. She did not tell me, little stinker. And Denise, if you see this and you've done a VR and I did not catch it, please let me know. I will look back on your channel to double make sure as well. Or if you're going to do one, let me know. But let's see what we've got here. I feel some goodies. Oh, she always sends the prettiest paper. Oh my goodness. Let's see. We've got a little card here. Not so sparkly and shiny. Yes, it is her entry. Yay. Hi, Carmen. Hope all is well. I hope you like my entry. Have a great day. Hugs, Denise. Girl, with your talent, no doubt I'm going to love it. Oh, thank you for the extra goodies. And she's put a little smell good thing in there. Beautiful blue flowers that I never can find. Thank you. I love them. You know my blue. And then a yummy sucker. My daughter will probably steal that one. And look at the gorgeous pen. Is it going to blind you? Diamond. Big old bling. Love it. I'm trying to see. My lighting is not good today because of the rain. I can't tell. Is that silver or rose gold? But with all the rain and stuff, I do not have much lighting. So I apologize for that, y'all. I'm hoping that this is all getting picked up. Oh, gotta save the gorgeous paper. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. I'll quit blinding y'all. Oh my goodness. Girl. Oh, that is so pretty. Do y'all see that? And look at the itty bitty bows right there with the bling in the center. Is that the nail bows? I've seen some nail, little nail things, and she got a little sunshine, and it's the banner flag, which, you know, reminds me of her because she does those, and they're so gorgeous. And look at the butterfly. It says hello. And this itty bitty flower, and she has glittered this thing up. And it's in a little flower garden. Girl, that is so pretty. Thank you, sweetheart. Let's see, and that's the back. And that's so pretty too. That paper looks familiar, but this one's glittery. I love it. Love it. Okay, her name is Denise Alcock, and she is also Denise Alcock here on YouTube. I'm sure most of y'all know her, but if not, her link will be in the description box below. Her date of birth is 3/30, so that's March 30th. And not my kid this time, my husband. And my mother. Both had, my mother's passed, but my husband's, his birthday is the 1st of March. So y'all are all sending in birthdays of people of my family. So these should be pretty easy to remember. Her colors are pink, lilac, mint, green. Her style is all. Her faves are M&M's, mermaids, nautical, and Paris themes. Love it. Love it. Great information. And I will get to add that. And let's see. I wonder. Y'all gonna get tired of me. I love to sing. I don't have the voice for it. I may have mentioned this before. I always joke about how God gave me the love of music, but He didn't give me the voice to sing it. But, oh well. Oh. Oh my. I'm speechless. Oh my gosh. Oh, honey. I'm about in tears. That is so, so pretty. I did not know you've done the crosses. I need to go back. Am I missing some videos? I'll tell y'all what, y'all, I'm leaving comments for people, but then they disappear and I have to leave them. And my bell is getting turned off on different people. So I'm going to double check, Denise, because I've not noticed you around lately. And I always try to make sure I watch and comment. So I double check that my bell is back on, make sure it stayed on. Oh my gosh, I could look at this thing forever. Can y'all see the details? My goodness. That is so beautiful. Y'all see the talent she has? Oh, honey, I could just sit here and look so that I can see each individual one. Every little piece that she used. That is so pretty. All these blues, girl. Oh, oh my gosh, they're just gorgeous. I'm going to take my time and I'm going to sit and look at this like I've done so many. I want y'all to just see this in all its glory. Let me make sure. Hopefully, I'm not blinding you with the bling. And then y'all see that. Oh, Denise, I'm so blessed. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Y'all see her talent. So you don't want to miss her. You do not want to miss her creations. And y'all to go back, if you have not seen my video of the banner flag she made for me, y'all to go back and watch that video. That banner is flipping gorgeous. And so is this. So y'all check her out. Be sure to check her out and support her if you are not already. And sweet, sweet Denise, thank you so much for this. I am so in love. And I appreciate it. And thank you for entering my challenge. And I hope you all have an awesome weekend. And as always, I wish you the best.